收到啦。咩啊？多錢？
搞錯佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
政府話目標係南邊嗰個嚟啊。
嗯，清楚。OK，各單位準備，我睇實佢。
你捉個威聲先好啊！
He's early.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨？
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，前方右邊
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦，
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend.
Are you crazy? No, don't.
Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
再伙計，唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
好傷害我啊！
Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it! Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Oh, what's the next? You see anyone? I think they're on the move! Crazy fuck! Hurry up! Shit! Run! Stay with me! Come on, hurry up! Come on, come on! Are you crazy? Keep moving! Keep going! Oh, you're getting me! What's with these guys? Oh my god! Son of a bitch!
Get out！ 不用，捉住佢，捉住佢！唔好俾佢走啦！警察，咪喐！我哋而家要拘捕你。
Oh, we can work something out, right?
唔使諗啦，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講，但係你所講嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，即係成為呈堂證供，明唔明白？
Hey man, I told you next week. 下個禮拜 OK? OK?
點解你同我講埋呢啲
喂
嘢啊？唔掂咁樣
shit
嚟行啊！
It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit, Jackie Ma.
Lanaya, it is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Well, wait. Man, you look like shit.
Hey, fuck you. 15 years to do that. We're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old, but good to see you.
What the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
It was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing that'll stick.
Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you're from Old Prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, you know. People kind of go their separate ways, but... You remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Ye. I've got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Red Pole and the Sun on Ye. Shit, Dog Eyes always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. And still a total poke guy. He was the one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but now... Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister?
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. He'll fucking love it. Man, Wei fucking Shen in the flesh. I can't believe it.
Jackie Ma!
Looks like I'm out of here.
Hey, Jackie. So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him,
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. It'll just be like old times.
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
you might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
I've done this before.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the Triad.
Wei Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's a Red Pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. The dog eyes is pushing in.
If they're both Red Poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog eyes always was an asshole. Turns out he's a greedy asshole too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild and paranoia.
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jiu Mei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
你條契弟，我今日收你皮。淆底就認，打就企定。哼！你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Get off him! I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.
咁打你頭啦！我。
你老婆幫你收屍啦！
Kidding me? Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
仆街死撚緊啊！
我食硬你㗎！睇下你有冇命行出去？你有冇想試狗？打佢趴住走啊！打佢揾一個靚仔，驚佢走先啦！點啊？好撚雞啊！腳軟嚟！打佢！夠薑你就開拖啦，笨！
Hey,
That looked nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So... here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bull. All right. You wanna be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
So you're the tough guy that's everyone's talking about. Hey, you think you can fight? I bet you like that first punch. Come on, dude.
How about that?
Don't go easy on him.
Come on, Conroy. You get him.
You think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when shit gets to you.
That all you got?
Wipe that smile off your face.
You gonna back down? Come on, fight back! Why did you get out of here? Huh? You like that? How about that?
Hello, boys.
Hey! Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, dog eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man.
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect. Hey, you mentioned your sister back there.
Mimi? Yeah, she OD'd years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit, but...
That sucks. She was, you know, really alive.
my mother thought maybe a new city, new country, but the hooks went deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking dog eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss. When we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Come in. See what I got. All fresh.
Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, all brands here are real. I got special.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem. Need anything? Just come ask.
Hey, all brands here are real. I got special supplier. Hey, come on in. Hey, all brands here are real. I got special supplier.
No, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off. At some point, Winston and Dog Eyes are gonna clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes. Just like the movies, man. Hey, you wanna do the talking?
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Eye said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we used to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy. I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. Dog Eye won't be happy.
Dude, I think you killed him.
You work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay him, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These jukes are moving in on your territory. Come on, guys! Take it out! Show what you're made of! What kind of protection is this? Keep that up! Come on! Get back up!
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
搞錯啊！